Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. Today we're looking at a Glock 21 in 45 ACP. This is a full-size handgun. The next smallest model would be a Glock 30, and then the next larger model in 45 ACP would be the Glock 41. I reviewed that this summer, and I fell in love with that. On that video, I said, I want to get this gun. Well, I didn't get the Glock 41. I got the Glock 21. And the reason I got this, it became available on the used market. I paid $350 for it. Now, it did come with only one mag, 13 rounds. This is loaded up because I am going to put it on the scale in a little bit, unload firearm here. But this does have a 4.6-inch barrel. Now, the Glock 41 has a 5.3-inch barrel. That's considered a long slide Glock. This is just a full-size model. And to give a little size comparison, here we have the Glock 19 with a 4-inch barrel and the Glock 21 with a 4.6-inch barrel, and you'll see the difference right there. All right, but here we have 45 ACP. You know, I'm a fan. I love it, and I'm happy to have this. Now, I paid $350 for this on the used market. And the one thing about Glocks is that they are most common on, they're the most common firearm on the used market in regards to handguns than any others. People sell them. There's always somebody that wants to buy them. And then, you know, there's always somebody that has a Glock and figures they can get another one again, and they can. This is a nice pickup for me. It does have XS big dot sight right there. Okay, tritium night sights. And it came with one mag and a padded soft bag, which is fine. I'll put this to use, but it's like new. Very nice firearm. Now, the one thing about this Glock 21 is that the trigger weight, I actually measure the same as the website says, 5.5 pounds. Every Glock I ever measured before was closer to 6 pounds, but this one is very close to 5.5 pounds, so I'm pretty happy about that. And the one thing about the Glock 21 with the 13 rounds of 45 is I have heard so many people say that this is the best handgun for home defense. You know, if you love 45 and you don't have a problem shooting it, I certainly don't. So, you know, you attach a light like this, and, you know, I can't disagree. Definitely make a nice home defense firearm. But everything is pretty much stock Glock with the exception of the sights. It does have the captured recoil spring and guide rod, and here is the 4.6-inch barrel. Definitely a full-size gun, and that's fine by me. I'm not going to CCW it. I'm going to use it, enjoy it, and maybe it will be a home defense firearm for me. But let's go ahead and get it on the scale. A lot of people love this. I fell in love with the 41, but I have a feeling I'm going to fall in love with this too. Kind of, I'm already in love with it. 2 pounds, 7 5/8 ounces. We move that just to ounces. We're looking at just under 40 ounces with 13 rounds of 45 target loads, 230 grain, 39 5/8 ounces. So there it is. Glock 41, just sort of an intro video telling you that I picked it up used, paid $350. Yeah, I have to get another mag and, you know, put some rounds through it, see if I'm going to accessorize this up. I typically leave my firearm stock. You know, I do a couple things here and there, but I like this the way it is, and you'll be seeing this very shortly. I'm heading out to the range. I'm stocked up on 45 ammo and put this thing to the test. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.